Legislation in Illinois is facing criticism from officials across the state. The criminal justice reform called the Safety Act was created with the intent of resolving shortcomings in the criminal justice system, but now the new law is facing lawsuits from over half of Illinois' state's attorneys. News 8's Nina Burns joins us live in studio explaining why it's so controversial. Hey, Nina.
Hi, John. And yes, over half of Illinois state's attorneys are suing, but those lawsuits pertain to just one aspect of this widespread legislation. The act reforms 3 areas of criminal justice: policing, pretrial, and corrections, like jails and prisons. But what we're seeing get the most publicity are the modifications to that pretrial portion, especially with the elimination of cash bail. Right now in Illinois, when someone is arrested, they are charged and booked until a bond hearing to determine bail. If bail is denied or they can't afford it, they stay in jail until a pretrial hearing. But the Safety Act completely changes this process. Once the act takes effect, detainment is only imposed when a defendant poses a real and present threat to a person or is a flight risk. Meaning if a judge doesn't find any evidence, the defendant is free to walk until their pretrial hearing, a process Knox County State's attorney says is unconstitutional.
Good arguments the statute is unconstitutional because, first of all, the Illinois Constitution talks about a cash bail being used, so it's specifically mentioned in our Constitution. It doesn't take in the statute doesn't take into account adequately the rights of victims.
Now, Carlin filed his own lawsuit against the act, but says he and the other state's attorneys plan to consolidate the lawsuits into one. Back to you, John.
All righty, thank you, Nina. Other portions of the Safety Act are already in effect, but the elimination of cash bail will take effect January 1st.